I nervous? I think y'all make me nervous.
Caught me at the right time, baby. Oh, I was at the end. Made me feel like that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a Get Ready With Me Sunday Fun Day edition. Today is Sunday and I'm going out for brunch and I'm running late. So, yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, make sure you guys are subscribed, like this video, and keep watching. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Natasha. Go ahead and subscribe because why not? Like, just go ahead and do it, please and thank you. So today is Sunday. We're having a Sunday fun day. Very chill, nothing too extra. But you know, I still gotta step a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I'm not going out the house looking crazy. So I have this wig from RPGSHOW. It's giving highlighted balayage moments, like ombre-ish too. Super cute. I did wash it last night and I conditioned it as well because, you know, it is blonde. So I just wanted it to be really, you know, flowy. It was giving anyways. I did a little bit of plucking. Didn't need to do much because it already came pre-plucked. You guys know how RPG units comes for the price. They got you. You can literally wear that wig out your head, out the box on your head. I was gonna do that, but I just have been wanting to like wash my wigs lately. You should be washing your wigs, but if anything, if you want to wear it out the box, you definitely can. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this wig today on camera. I'm thinking of doing like kind of like the beach wave look where it's like kind of the straight ends. I think that would be really cute with this wig, with the middle part. I think that would be super cute. So I'm gonna try to attempt that. I don't really do those curls often because it's out of my comfort zone. And you know, this year is all about doing things out of your norm. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what it's gonna give. And I feel like that gives like a glamorous but effortless type of vibe. So that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna do this, you know, I'm gonna put some music over this. I might do a voiceover to instruct you guys if I feel necessary. But yeah, I just need to focus, turn on some music because I also am on a time crunch. Y'all know I was supposed to get up and get ready like 2 hours ago so that I wouldn't be rushing and so I could have time filming and make this a good experience. But baby, sleep one today, okay? Sleep one. So we're about to get ready. Again, this is the wig. All the information will be down below. And yeah.
Okay guys, so we are back. This is the hair. So I obviously did not do beach curls because when I did that first curl, it was just so juicy. I just couldn't help myself. So they're just regular, but they're like really loose. They're the way I really like it, like just really big and voluminous, and they just have a lot of body. It has a lot to do with the texture of hair too, because all hair does not curl like this. So I couldn't miss my opportunity. But I do have another wig that I want to do the beach curls on. I think it looks really good on like highlighted or like colored hair. It eats. But anyways, I'm about to spray this again because I don't know what I did today, child. It's looking a little lumpy.
Alright guys, so this is the completed look. Hair looks good, outfit is decent, and this is the fragrance that I'm going to be wearing today. This is the BDK Bouquet De Hungry, I don't know, but it's a very nice daytime scent, and it's like a soft rose. It's not like a, I be overspraying, yes I do. It's not like a mature rose. It's like a Turkish rose. It's really warm. It's really like sheer and feminine, but like you can really smell it on you. All right, so you guys already know that I'm rushing out, but this is the outfit. I have on this 2-piece, well it's really a 3-piece. I've worn this before. This comes with shorts, like the matching like Bermuda type shorts. Very cute for like vacay or something, but I just decided to wear it with jeans. So yeah, this is from Free People. I don't know if I said that. The 2-piece here. The jeans are from Fashion Nova. Bag, Brandon Blackwood. I decided to do the light pink. And then I have on these nude sandal heels. It's like 60 degrees, so I'm not gonna be cold, not gonna be hot. It's gonna be perfect. So get a good look at the outfit. Okay. It's giving Sunday vibes, Sunday tees. Let me scoot back. Maybe you guys can see my shoes if I go back. Can you guys see the full fit? Probably not. Okay, so sorry for rushing once again. That's what comes with Get Ready With Me's. I'll see y'all later. For my friends, hate me, okay? This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Everything will be linked down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.